Hey everyone, welcome back to the video. Today I have the pleasure of cutting my husband's hair. I'm a little bit nervous, but I'm gonna get through it. It's gonna be lit, so make sure you stay tuned to the end to see how it comes out. Right now, I'm just combing his hair out a little bit because we washed it. We had the do-rag on, and when you take the do-rag off, the hair is stuck to his head. So I'm combing the hair off so when I'm cutting it with the clippers, it will glide better. So the first gauge that I started working with was number 2, as you can see on the screen. I'm cutting his hair with the grain. So I'm starting at the center of the head, or where his hair naturally separates. You can see it as in anybody's head. You just start from that point and you work your way out. So start in the middle and then you work your way out, and we're doing gauge number 2. And if you're wondering what type of clipper I am using, it's the Babyliss Pro FX, and it's the Ferrari red version. So if you want to get that, you could get any other clippers you want. Just try it out and see if it works for you. Now I'm going in with the 1.5 gauge. So we cut that off, but we still need to go a little bit lower. So we're going in with the 1.5 gauge to get his hair lower. He doesn't want it too low. Since this is the first time I'm cutting his hair, we just want to get it at a decent height. Time for the first mirror check. He's checking himself out, seeing how I did. And I'm just going back in and trying to get it lower and lower. Mirror check. And I'm going in again, and I'm trying to get the front as low as possible, so when I'm doing the tape, it will come out nice and straight. He's checking out his hair again to make sure I got the right height. Again, I'm going in, making sure the front is low, and he's checking himself out one more time. Last height check to make sure his hair is nice and low. Right now, I'm going in with the trimmer. This is a different tool from the clippers, and it's also from the Babyliss FX Pro collection. And I'm just starting from the back and working my way around to try to get the perfect lining. My lines are looking nice and clean, nice and straight. This is my first time doing it, so I'm just taking my time, going around, trying to make sure I get it as good as possible. And this is where the challenge begins, because guys, they want their tape line straight and crisp. They don't want their tape line to be leaned or pushed back. So I got the Cut Buddy. You can get that off Amazon, and that's just going to help me to get my lines straight. And it comes with a pencil, so you can use it to mark your hairline. I marked my lines, so now I'm going in with the trimmer, and I'm just gonna try to make it as neat and straight as possible. Now I'm going to the other side and I'm just doing the same thing, marking it off and then using the trimmer to get the lines nice and straight. This is the last section, the last part. I'm just gonna go in and try my best to make this tape line straight and crisp as I can. So he's checking it out to see if it meets his approval rating. And I'm going back in with the clippers to make sure that front is as low as possible. Now I'm back using the trimmer to refine the lines a little bit more. And I just want to remind you guys, if you haven't done it already, please remember to like, share, and subscribe to my channel. If you liked the video, please comment below. Let me know how I did, if you like it, if you think I could be a barber, you know, let me know. Right now, I'm just brushing the hair down. And I'm gonna go back in and I'm going to refine the back tape to make it stand out much more. All right, now time for the last mirror check. He's checking himself out, seeing how I did. I think he likes it. See that smirk? Guys, if you like the video, tell me how you think I did. Did I do a good job? Comment below and let me know if you like what I did. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe.